Hello my little artists, welcome to Creofun. My name is Maria and today we'll be painting a cute unicorn ice cream. Let's make sure first that you have everything that we'll need for the lesson. Please grab a piece of paper, pencil, black Sharpie, set of brushes, eraser, water, watercolor paint, and maybe grab a piece of paper towel just to keep everything clean and tidy. And let's start. So grab your pencil and we're going to start with an arch. Just like this. That's good. Now on this side we're going to do a half circle like this. We're going to do another one on this side. That's good. And now we're going to connect with like this. Very nice. Now put a dot like somewhere here, so leave some space. And now we're going to connect. You could put another dot here and we can connect them. Now we're doing the cone. You can put a dot here and now we're going to connect. Yes, like this. And our ice cream is almost done. Now let's make it super cute. Let's add ears. So I'm adding ears on this side. Now let's add another one on this side. Let's do the horn since we're doing unicorn. So you can put a dot depending how big you want it. I want mine probably like here. So we can do like a triangle first. Then from there we can add lines. And then on the side, we're building like this. 1, 2, 3, and here it's going to be 4. All right. Now let's erase. We're going to erase this line that was helping us to build a triangle, but we don't need it anymore. We're going to erase it. Just that one side line. Yes, like this. Now you can put a dot like a little bit like here. If the ear is here, you can put a dot here, and you can put a dot like somewhere there. That would be good. And you can do an arch like this. Now we're working on the hair. You can bring one more like this. We're gonna erase this line here. That's good. And now we're going to separate the hair into pieces. So we're going to add like lines. And you can do as many as you want. Should I do one more here? I can do one like this. That's good. That's very cute. We're still missing a few things. So let's add eyes. So I'm going to do 2 arches like this. 1, 2. I'm going to add eyelashes on both of them, and of course I'm gonna add a nice cute smile. Look at that. And our ice cream is done. I'm gonna add like lines for the ears. Now let's work a little bit on the background. You can do hearts, you can do stars, you can do anything you want for the background. I'm gonna add a few stars. And you can do one big, one small, any size you want. Maybe I'll do a few more. Maybe one here. That's good. Should I do one more? Yes, let's do one. Maybe one here. That's good. And one there, why not? Somewhere here. That's beautiful. We also can do like some simple shapes. Maybe you decide to do like circles. Here we go. Nothing complicated. But you can do them as many as you want. And I think I'm good. I can do one more maybe here. But other than that, we are done. So the next thing, grab your Sharpie and let's outline our beautiful ice cream. The reason why we're outlining is just to make the artwork nice and bright. You're doing great. Here we go. So proud of you. Can't wait to see your artwork. Here we go. That's good. Yes, like this. Yes. You're doing great. Yes, the ice cream is almost done. And you can decide if you want to outline the stars as well. I think I just want to outline the ice cream itself. So now, if you are done with the outlining, grab an eraser. If not, you can always pause the lesson and continue when you're ready. But if you are done, let's erase all the extra lines that we don't need now. There are only a few here. That's good. Leave the ones with the stars in the background. So we still need those. Now, if you are done, then grab a brush and decide what color you want to use for the ice cream. I'm gonna use nice and bright pink, but maybe it's purple, maybe it's red, or maybe you have like a mango ice cream and the color is more like yellow orange. So you decide, there's no right or wrong here. Here we go. And if you want, you can even mix a few colors together. You can add maybe a little bit of yellow to the middle. Yeah, so I like how the colors mix together. Now it looks nice and warm. Yes. And if one side is brighter than the other, you can always add a little bit more paint to the other side. So both sides are nice and bright. Here we go. That's beautiful. Look at that. Now let's do the ears, and we still have a little bit of like one small piece of ice cream still showing there, so I'm gonna color it pink as well. And now I'm gonna do the ears, and if you want the same thing, if you want, you can add a little bit of yellow to the center. Here we go, and I'm gonna do, let's try, I always like experimenting and see how it's gonna be. I like it. Now let's do let's see if this area is dry. Yes, mine is, so I can do the cone itself. I'm gonna change the brush to a bigger size and think what color you want to use. You can use like light brown or orange. I have a color here that is kind of between yellow and brown, and I'm gonna use that one. And as you know, the more water you add, the lighter the tone is. The less water you use, the brighter the color is. So I just did it nice, beautiful, like warm tone. That's good. I'm gonna go back to a smaller size brush, and I'm gonna do the horn here. And this time I want to use nice blue color, but you can use any color you want. Maybe it's purple, maybe it's green. There you go. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna look again, I outlined it. Like I want it to be on the edges darker. So I'm gonna go back and on the edges I'm adding more paint. There we go. That's so beautiful, so bright. Now with a dry brush, I kind of removed extra water there, and also what it did, now there is the paint inside is lighter, and that's what we wanted. That's good. Now we're gonna let like our paint to dry a little bit more before we do the design, but we're gonna go back and do the stars. So pick the tone that you want for the stars. It can be either like orange or yellow, and let's color them. Do you know that the top 3 flavors of like for the ice cream? Do you want to guess what those are? Yeah. So yes, vanilla. Yes, chocolate, and yes, strawberry. Those are 3 the most popular flavors. And of course, chocolate syrup is the most popular topping for the ice cream. Yes, but there is no surprise there, right? Now decide what color you want to use for other elements there. I'm gonna use maybe blue, a little bit of blue here and there. That's good. I like it. I can do one more blue. Should we do one more? Yes, let's do this one here. That's gonna be beautiful. Now let's see which one we want, like what we want to do there. I'm gonna use a little bit of purple. That's beautiful. I'm gonna use this one. Purple as well, and we have one more left. I'm gonna use, let's do purple also. I was thinking maybe red, but I think that's gonna be good with purple. That is beautiful. Now let's do the hair. Check if the area is dry. Mine is dry, so I can use purple. But you can, again, use your favorite color. Or you can do even the rainbow. That would be nice as well. And on the edges, again, I can add a little bit more paint for a nice look. That's beautiful. You're doing so good, guys. Here we go. Now with a clean brush, I'm going back to the center. Yes, like this. So it's lighter in the center. Now the next thing, let's add a little bit of design to the cone itself. So grab a color that is darker than this one, the one that you used here. In my case, I'm going to grab a brown, and I can even mix it a little bit with orange, or you can just use brown. And how am I going to do it? I'm going to, with a thin brush, I'm going to start adding some lines, but do them from a distance to each other. So not super close, like this. And now we're gonna add them to this side again, so they're not super close, like this. That looks so good. That is so nice and summer looking, delicious, right? The next thing, let's add, we can add a little bit more of the decor here, and I'm gonna add chicks, but please, before doing that, check if this area is dry. And how you check, you can just put your finger there. If there's no paint left, then it's dry. So I'm gonna add like some nice circles. That's good, that's cute. And if you want, you can do more like elements there, but I think I'm done. Thank you so much, guys, for painting with me. Please send me your artwork. I can't wait to see it, and I'm looking forward to doing more lessons with you. Thank you, guys.